for a master trader, what is their secret? And I think part of this program is going to teach you, they learn about markets and not just to trade, the paint by numbers. We're going to learn about the markets, create the story like John said. We're going to learn how option structures actually react. And I think one thing, to build on what John was saying, not only are we looking at our Greek instruments and our models, say an option view or O&E, but we also have to recognize that those don't always tell us the truth, or they don't always have the full picture. And you have to understand the intricacies or the limitations of that software. And that's something that's really powerful. When the model's telling you one thing and the market moves and the result is totally different and you're screaming and yelling at the software, which I think we've all probably done. When you have the skills that you could get out of this program, you'll start to understand and anticipate the shortcomings of that model, and it'll really help your trading.